Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen ID.4 LIFE DX, a powerful and efficient SUV with 174 horsepower and 77 kWh battery. With only 42147 kilometers, this grey beauty is practically new. Packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures a smooth and secure ride. Enjoy luxury trim, ambient lighting, and privacy glass for added style and security. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line SUV, fully checked and serviced with comprehensive warranties. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie now for more details on this amazing deal.